Hey guys, this is how to delete a subscriber when they click a link in ConvertKit. So guys, the first thing that you will do is simply click on grow over here on the top, and after that just simply go for the subscribers over here. And now it will redirect you to the subscribers tab, and after that just simply scroll down guys, and you should be able to see here all of your subscriber, and you can filter it out by just simply clicking on this icon over here, and you will have multiple subscribers. So best thing that you would do is simply go for the old subscribers, just simply select the subscriber that you want to delete, and after that on the left side over here you should be able to see here, if you scroll down, unsubscribe, block, or delete subscriber. Pretty much this will be depending on you, but in our case just simply click on delete subscriber over here, just simply click on OK over here at the top. And remember guys, that once you have deleted a subscriber, you cannot undo it, and from there you should be able to delete it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!